guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been so long since I've last posted. I am so sorry you guys. I've been really caught up with so many things, but I am back now. For today's video, I have created this look for you guys. This is my everyday go-to makeup look. Every time I have to go out, do some of my work, to get some meeting done, I do this makeup look, and it is so simple, so neutral, and such an everyday look. To see how I create this look, then keep on watching.
To start off, I always prep my skin really well, and this is a lip balm from Organic Originals. It is my own brand. This is such a lightweight lip balm, and it really heals all your skin. So using this foundation, I'm just going to dot it everywhere and blend it out. I like to spread the foundation evenly with my fingers and go in with the beauty blender to make it more smooth and seamless. And if you're wondering which earring I'm wearing, this is actually from Azuro, Nepal. They have a really great handmade collection of earrings, and you can go check them out. I'll put their Instagram handle down in the description box below. So I'm just really setting all my foundation in with an airspun powder. It is one of my favorite powders and I love it. This is hands down my favorite eyeshadow palette. I can easily do daytime look and switch it to a nighttime look. I really love this palette. Now I'm taking that taupey shade and going in my eyebrows. Since my hair is super dark, I just like to go with a taupey shade and not make it look as dark. If you're looking for a really neutral palette that you can use it for daytime, nighttime, anytime, I think this palette is super nice, and it's really well pigmented. And I also like to take my eyeshadow down the bridge of my nose just to make it look seamless. The shimmering eyeshadows in this palette are really glittery, and I just love it. It looks absolutely stunning in nighttime and in daylight as well. So I'm just putting that all over my eyelids so that it can pop a little more. Also, you don't have to be super precise in this look. Since it is a 10-minute look, you can just do it like really fast. And I'm just putting this eyeliner in the closest line to my lash line so that the lash line looks more defined. This mascara, it is one of my favorites. Like, I know this is a Korean brand, but I don't know exactly which brand. But if you do know, then do let me know down in the comment section below. This is literally my everyday blush palette. I love this so much. Like, you can see it has been used and loved a lot. I love to put my blush in my nose as well. I think it just looks really nice and seamless, and sometimes I just put it in my eyes as well so that the whole look looks cohesive. These two liquid lipstick are one of my go-to's lipstick for every day. One is from NYX Cosmetics and one is from Kylie Cosmetics. I just mix and match. Since these lipsticks are liquid lipstick and it dries matte, the lip balm I used earlier on from Organic Originals, it really helps to not make it super dried out. It just makes the lipstick application really nice and smooth. Next is obviously a highlighter, but I was so sad I broke this Morphe highlighter. One shade is completely broken. I need to fix it, but I just like to top it in my blush.
So this is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this, and if you do decide to create this look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Phoebe Bhattarai. I will put the link right here and down in the description below, and I will see you all in my next one.